Hi guys, I have just recently just tanned, so can we please ignore my appearance, but I did film like a little wee room makeover, but not gonna lie, it's like a bit, like the way I filmed it probably wasn't the best, and I've lost some clips, so all it's kind of, there's not before. You're gonna hate me. If you watch my weekly vlog though, you'll have seen me like move my room around when it was in the old style. I absolutely like a cheesy what's it. Love that. But yeah. Oh my god, I actually can't look at myself. But we'll just say that there. So oh, I hate myself. So there's a B&M haul in here, there's a Home Bargains haul. And then there's like clips of me painting, and then there'll be a room tour. But yeah, please bear with me, the good videos will be coming back very shortly. I was just getting this room done because it was embarrassing how horrible it was. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please comment, like and subscribe, and DM me on Insta or like any video ideas. Yeah. So first of all, that was vase, however you want to say it. I bought that. This was from Homebargains. I bought a bunch of these baskets too to go under my bed. They were like £1.59 each, which I thought was pretty decent, to be fair. I'm gonna like start piling things in here because I kind of need to keep them in here until I'm ready to do my room. And I'm gonna start painting it tomorrow so it doesn't work. And I got this candle. It kind of gives me, this is from B&M. It kind of gives me like the, what are they called? Those like Joe Malone candles. Kind of gives me that vibe. It smells quite nice. I didn't smell it because I didn't take my mask off, so I didn't find it until I got home. So it's kind of like a lucky guess, but it's cute. I got this from Asda. It's like a marble. It's a candle. It's lemon, thyme, and verbena, whatever that is. But I need to update my candle game in my room, so this is my all-time favourite candle from B&M. The vanilla one. It's a 3-wick candle. I also got these for my bedside tables because I've kind of got like a little cheap, well I know these are cheap too, but like kind of like a tacky, just a little lamp just now, so I thought it would change the game up a bit. They were only like £8 as well, and then I got this candle from Asda as well. It's the signature, oh, I've scuffed it, sugared plum. I've not actually smelled this yet. It smells really nice. I kind of went a bit candle mad because I don't really know what other decor bits I'm going for yet, so bear with me. And then I got this pillow as well. This is from B&M. I've ordered a white bedding from Amazon, which hopefully comes soon. This was £8, so I'm not really saying prices, I'm not really unsure. When I ordered these pillows, I got these from Homebargains, which, yeah, they're different shades of pink. Me and my mum did not notice this, but they were only, I think they were like £6 or £5 each. I don't think it was bad. And then I just got some new cleaning bits because you can never have too many cleaning bits. I have like a drawer full of cleaning stuff. But hope you can see me. That is all from my little haul. I also got like a little wee LED tripod, social media ring light thing. Oh no! I got this. 2 seconds. Actually. You'll probably see better once I like have my room completely done and I'm not balancing up my bed. But it's just this Home Collections velvet footstool with £9.99 from Homebargains, which I thought was a bit of a bargain, to be fair. Sorry, I tried to be funny. It didn't work. I've also ordered some wrap. You know how you can get like wrap kitchens and everything for the top of my, the tabletop for my desk, because I don't like the wood colour. White wood's fine, but I don't really even know how you describe the colour. And then if we manage to successfully, we're gonna do it to my wardrobe because my wardrobe is the same colour. It's not really my theme I'm going for. If like this whole pandemic, everything wasn't happening, my uncle would have covered the wardrobe for me because he's like a spray painter, car spray painter and everything, and he's very good at all that stuff, but it's fine, I'm sure my mum will manage. So the painting, my mum said she's going to start tomorrow, so I don't know how involved I'm going to be in the painting, because we thought I was off Sunday, but I agreed to a shift instead, because they're very short just now. So to be fair, I could probably paint in the morning, I don't start till 1, but anyway, that's it for this little wee clip, and I'll see you the next time I've done something related to my room. Okay, bye. It looks so much nicer, like that compared to that. But yeah, I was going to look at the time lapse. I don't know if I can sit you. So, excuse my shoes and my coat. That's just chilling me because I didn't really start this morning and I've not put it away yet. My painting job, by the way. I want my door white and I thought that would convince my mum. It didn't work. But yeah, so you come in, it's like this little wee archway? Don't know what you'll call it. And then just here, I'll go this way around. Just here I have these little shelves. They're from B&M, and the items on them as well are from B&M. And then I've got this cute little wee just here is where I keep little wee dog toys and like those blankets. Really cute, I know. And then I've got my sofa, which is recently sat on it, so the cushions are a bit dodgy, but you get the vibe. I'm actually pretty sure they're all from B&M. The throw behind it, B&M. The sofa is from IKEA though. It's got all the like storage baskets from B&M underneath it. I wish this was sponsored, can you imagine? And then these frames are from B&M, and I just printed the prints off of Google Images. No, I think it's Pinterest actually. Yeah, I want to add more to this, but this is kind of like a to be continued ranger. I'm so annoyed, I'm sorry. And then moving along, we have my little wee nightstand. I've got the same on either side of my bed. They're from IKEA. And then on that, we've got this little candle you'll see in the haul clip. My Alexa, which is still covered in paint, I need to fix that. These little flowers, I think they're from Dunham Mill actually. These lamps are from B&M. And then, oh, actually, I've got a rug here too. That's from either Next or B&M, I'm actually not too sure. I think it's actually B&M. My old blue one was Next. Ignore me. And then we've got my bed. My bed's actually from Amazon. And then the prints above it, the frames are from B&M. And then the little wee coat type things are just from Google. And then my bedding is from Amazon. I never thought to look on Amazon for bedding, but they've got some really, really nice stuff I'd recommend. Also ignore that painting's topped up because it doesn't match that side. Just ignore that, okay? But yeah, it came with like that little wee cushion in the middle. That white one there it came with. And then those three pink ones are from B&M. That throws from B&M and that throws from B&M. I hate myself. I've also got silk pillows underneath the, what do you call it? My actual main pillows. I sleep on these ones, but obviously I put them first because they look nicer. But I've got my TV more chilling because why not? But yeah, I actually love this bedding. It's kind of just like feet out of that, like plain from the bottom down. And then coming this side, I have this rug. I don't know if you can say what it's from, but you can guess what it's from. This candle. Oh my god, no, actually, that candle's from Asda. This candle. You guessed it right, B&M. So, like, the matching lamp again. This is actually from IKEA. And then down here we have my dog's biscuit box. And then that's actually Squint, let's ignore that. I think they're actually from the range, I feel like. Going along, we've got my curtains. I'm not actually too sure where I got them from. Got them a while ago though, they're quite pricey. But I love them. And like a little wee marble curtain pole. And then you've got my wee windowsill. This dude, where's this dude from? TK Maxx. Covers my little wee mark. This is really not a bad room tour. I'm just showing you all the faults in my room. Ignore me. Sorry. And then this is from, I'm pretty sure it's from the range. Or Dunelm, I want to say. Dunelm, I don't actually know where that's from. This, I'm not actually sure where this is from. It's like a sort of quote book. My best friend got me it a while ago now. It looks like that little penny book of thoughts. You're probably meant to get a new one every year, but I just kind of change it around. Get off my toes. This tray is from the range. This little vase is from Homebargains. Flowers I stole from my mum's kitchen. This little thing is from, you guessed it, B&M. It's got my change in it. And my actual key ring I need to put on my keys. My baby. The photo frames, I think Asda. And then moving along, we've got my desk. My cute little setup. There's still like loads of little things I want to do to my room, but this is just a room tour from the room makeover, so I don't want to go through my doors because they're messy, but it's like make up the half and then the other half's like join. It's not a problem of clean stuff. So on my desk, hi friends, this is my friend Christy, this is my best friend Cara, cute, I know. This I got my man Julie's work. I'm not really a big fan of champagne, so I've not touched it yet. The two white ones are from IKEA. The one in the middle, I'm not actually sure where that's from. I'm pretty sure it's IKEA too. Yeah, IKEA. Again, I stole it from my kitchen. And then up here is just more photos of friends and that. It's cute. That, I don't know where that's from. And like my makeup lights and that. Down there is where I keep extra alcohol. I've got a basket under there full of alcohol too. I'm sad I know. And over here, I'll let this bad boy out the way. We've got these. They're kind of like fake IKEA drawers. IKEA doesn't like deliver into my house for some reason, so I got them from B&M, but they're cute. They just keep all like obviously my clothes, so like in this one, gym clothes, this one's like joggers, that one's obviously underwear, let me show that, like hoodies, more hoodies, and then that one's like hoodies and like spare tops and that, not spare tops, like tops that are with my joggers. I'm not actually too sure where they're from. And then my big TV, which you see my ring light, I'm sorry about that. This little thing is actually a godsave, whatever you want to call it. It came with that tripod in the corner. You just click it and like it obviously takes like your photos or starts your recording. Very, very good. I don't want to lose it, so I'm sticking it there. And then we've got that little flower pot. That's from probably B&M. I don't even know what I'm trying to guess. It's legit probably B&M. I just knocked something over. This little basket here, I'm 99.9% sure is Homebargains. Me and my friend did like a gift swap at Christmas. Like a little wee hamper type thing, and we bought each other the exact same basket. So that's the one she bought me, is Home Bargains. This mirror, I'm not going to be in it because I look absolutely disgusting, is from, where are you from? The Range. It's only £89. I'll link it down below if I can find it, but I've not been able to find it online. I'll try and link a similar one down below. Or I'll just put the website in the link anyway. You'd best probably be going in store to find one, because there was quite a few that had like chips and that in it and was not a vibe. This little wee stool is from Home Bargains. You'll have seen it in like the little wee haul in this video. And then we have, over here we just have my little chest of drawers, which again are kind of like a little wee IKEA dupe. They're from B&M. On top, this candle is Asda. This is B&M. This little is B&M. This is Sainsbury's. They've got some cute stuff in the moment. I'm gonna burn myself. This little wee picture is from B&M. I'll look a little bit tour of my drawers, why not? This one's kind of full of like stuff that I reach for, like face mask, makeup remover, my contact lenses, I'm blind. Actually, I'm blind. Makeup remover, hand sanitizers. It's corona, you know, got to have. This one's just kind of like all my little bits and pieces that come in my glossy boxes. This one's my tans. This one's perfumes, and then my extra stash for my dog's dental sticks that they get every day. I just keep them here because they won't fit in the other box. I don't know why. And then this one is just kind of like backups, like vapor rub. These, oh my god, they're godsend if you have to get lash extensions. Wish I still had them, whatever. And then like razors and all that fun stuff down there. And then moving on, we've got my wardrobe, which I do want to get wrapped white. But we're gonna leave it until my uncle can come, because he's like a professional at it, so he'll do it for me. But these boxes up here, unsure where they're from. Bags. Oh my god, I'm gonna link a website down below called Boutique. There's like, that's a dupe for the Stella McCartney bag, but they don't say it's a dupe, if you get what I mean. But yeah, I love it. I'll link it down below. So yeah, that was my room tour. I'm tripping up on this. Oh, and my little wee light up here, that was from Matalan. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I've showed everything. If you want me to link anything down below, just let me know. That drawer doesn't shut at the bottom, it's really, really frustrating. But yeah, but you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you later.